Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's lecture, we will discuss causative verbs in English grammar. So, what are causative verbs? The concept of causative verbs in English revolves around the idea that one person or entity influences or prompts another person to perform a certain action. In these constructions, there is a clear cause and effect relationship where the subject is the initiator of the action and the object is the recipient or doer of the action. In causative verbs, subject is the person or entity causing the action, and the causative verb, the verb that indicates the act of causing or influencing someone to do something. Common causative verbs include make, have, get, let, allow, enable, force, and persuade. And the object is the person or thing that is influenced or directed to perform the action. Action, which is the base form of the verb, it is the actual action or activity that the object is prompted to do. Let's understand it by example. She made him apologize for his mistake. Here the subject is she, causative verb is made, object him, and the action is the apologize. So in this example, she is causing him to perform the action of apologizing. The causative verb made indicates the influence or control exerted by the subject. Types of causative constructions. There are two types of causative constructions. The first one is direct causation. In direct causation, the subject causes someone else to do something directly. The direct causative verbs are make, have, get. And the indirect causation is the second type of causative construction. In indirect causation, the subject arranges for someone else to do something, but may not necessarily be directly involved in the action. Indirect causative verbs are let, allow, enable, force, persuade. The sentence structure of direct causation, it is the subject plus the verb, causative verb, make, have, or get, plus object plus base form of verb. For example, she made her children a surprise breakfast. So in this context, the causative verb made indicates that the subject, means she, took the action of preparing or organizing a surprise breakfast. The object of this sentence, her children, is the recipient of this action. The base form of the verb breakfast specifies the nature of the action, emphasizing that the surprise was in the form of a morning meal. My friend made us laugh all night. Here in this scenario, my friend is the individual influencing or causing the action. The causative verb made suggests that my friend played a role in creating an atmosphere or situation that resulted in the action of us laughing all night. I got my friend to lend me his car. This is the another example of direct causation. The next one is the indirect causation. It is the subject plus let, allow, enable, force, persuade. These all are indirect causative verbs plus object plus base form of verb. For example, they let us use their beach house for a weekend. Here the subject is they, causative verb let, object us, and the action is use their beach house for the weekend. In this sentence, the subject they is allowing or permitting this object us to perform the action of using their beach house for the weekend. The causative verb let indicates that they gave permission or allowed the speaker and others to use their property. The teacher allowed the students to work in groups. Here, the subject, the teacher is giving permission or granting the students the ability to perform the action of working in groups. The causative verb allowed signifies that the teacher permitted the students to collaborate in group activities. The next example is the new software enables users to create professional graphics. Here in this sentence, the subject, the new software, is providing the means or capability for the object users to perform the action of creating professional graphics. The causative verb enables suggests that the software empowers or facilitates users in achieving this specific capability. The circumstances forced her to reconsider her decision. This is another example of indirect causation. I persuaded him to join the committee. Thank you. Thank you for joining with us.